Today, we're diving into the Pavilion 15-F387WM laptop replacement touchscreen. This 15.6-inch WXGA 1366x768 HD display boasts touchscreen capabilities, bringing a new interactive dimension to your laptop experience. The screen finish, whether matte or glossy, depends on stock availability. One notable feature is the warranty, a solid 1-year coverage for the screen itself, providing a sense of security for your investment. It's important to note that this is a screen-only replacement, not an entire laptop. The display technology on this generic brand screen is impressive, offering a vibrant visual experience. The 15.6-inch size makes it ideal for various tasks, from work to entertainment. Whether you prefer a matte or glossy finish, the color quality is noteworthy. The glossy finish, in particular, enhances the overall vibrancy of colors. In summary, if you're in need of a replacement touchscreen for your Pavilion 15-F387WM laptop, this generic option is worth considering. The 1-year warranty adds peace of mind, and the touchscreen capability is a nice upgrade for those seeking a more interactive computing experience. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.